This is Debbie with the Food Prepping channel, and tonight I'm going to just put together some stuff in my Instant Pot, and I wanted to bring y'all along and show you what I'm doing. I've just got, whoops, I just hit the tripod. I've got some, I'm trying to get stuff out of my freezer because I'm getting 150 ears of corn, and I'm going to be freezing corn, and I've got 4 huge split chicken breasts that I'm going to put in my Instant Pot, and I'm going to cook these along with some vegetables and some herbs. I hope I'm going to have enough room for all of it. Alright, so I've got the 4, I just put the 4 chicken breasts in there. And now I'm going to put a 32-ounce container of Great Value Reduced Sodium chicken broth. That's going in. Let's see. That's going in. Alright. And now I've got I've got 3 little sprigs of rosemary. This is rosemary off of my herbs outside. That's going on top of the chicken. And I've got 1 little sprig of thyme. I've got 2, but I'm scared I don't like thyme. So it's kind of, I don't know. I can't remember whether I do or whether I don't. Alright, and then I've got, now I'm going to go on right now and put in a teaspoon of kosher salt on top of the chicken. I'm going to put my herbs in on top of the chicken. I'm going to go in and put, 1 teaspoon on top of the chicken of kosher salt. A half a teaspoon of coarse ground black pepper. That's going to go on the top. Alright. I'm going to put 2 teaspoons of chicken flavor bouillon. 1, 2. Alright. And then I'm going to put a teaspoon of Herbes de Provence. I really like this. I found it, I don't know, a couple years ago. And I don't know why, but I just really like the taste of it. It's a Spice Islands spice. That's the only place only kind I've ever been able to find that I liked. Alright, now, this was 2 big red potatoes. I'm going to put them on in there. And then in here I've got 3, they weren't very big carrots. These were pretty little carrots, but they're big around. They're just not very long. And then I've got 4 little golden potatoes, and I'm going to put this all in here. Okay. And remember, I put that 32 ounces of chicken broth in here. Now, on top, I'm going to put another teaspoon of salt going all around on top of the vegetables, and another half a teaspoon of coarse ground black pepper. Alright, and now I'm going to put my lid on. I think that's all that I wanted to put in here. Yep, I'm going to put my lid on, lock it. I'm going to, let me turn this around and zoom in so you can see. Mine is the 8 quart IP Lux, the Instant Pot IP Lux, the 8 quart. And so I'm going to go manual, or maybe, let me see what meat and stew is. Yes, I'm going to go meat and stew, and I'm going to go up to 45 minutes. And I'm going to let this cook for 45 minutes. And see, it'll start cooking now. Let me make sure, nope, make sure my vent was closed and it was on sealing. And no, it wasn't. It was on venting. So, now I've got this. This is going to come up to pressure and then cook for the 45 minutes. And then I'm not even going to do a quick release. I'm going to do no quick release on this. I'm going to let it come down itself. And so I will bring you back when this gets ready and I fix me a plate. Okay, I'm back. Alright, it is 2 o'clock in the morning. I fell asleep. Left this, I just let it go. It's been on warm, keep warm for ever how many hours it's been. And the only reason I'm eating now is because I have to take my medicine, and I can't take my medicine on an empty stomach. So, the chicken just literally fell off of the bone. It is so tender. I taste the rosemary. I taste the thyme. That is really good. Reminds me kind of a turkey. Because I usually put thyme in my turkey. Alright, I'm going to check out the carrots. Wow, this is really good. I think that another teaspoon, I put 2 teaspoons in. I think if I had put in a tablespoon of salt altogether in this, it would have been perfect for salt. Because it's okay now, but it needs a little bit. This was really good. And I just love my crock pot. It'll keep your food warm for 10 hours, up to 10 hours once it's done. So I just fell right asleep while this was cooking and didn't wake up until just a little while ago. So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, look below for links to my Facebook, my Twitter, and to different things that you can purchase from me through Amazon. It's no more, the price is no more than it would be if you went there. It just helps out. I get a small percentage of it to help out my channel for purchasing things to cook for y'all. So, I hope you have a good night, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.